Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule. And also we handle custom requests. A key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take unlimited practice tests and all these practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. Also, students can take Swiflearn Academic Test Series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students, those on new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir, and today I'll be teaching you a new topic, simple interest. Okay, so the objectives of today's class will be we are going to learn what is interest, what is meaning of simple interest, and we'll solve problems on simple interest. So you must have heard about the bank offers loan on some interest rate. You must have heard about interest in various situations: 8% interest on home loan, 6% interest on education loan, 10% interest rate on car loan, etc. etc. Yes, 16% interest on personal loan. Okay, so special 2% interest on education loan. But do you know what is the meaning of interest? Yes, the bank gives you some money as a loan, which is known as the principal, and takes some extra money from you. Okay, this extra money is called some interest. For example, if you want to start a business, bank will provide you, say, suppose 10 lakh rupees. After certain years of time period, you've gained some money. You need to return the 10 lakhs which you have taken back to the bank. Also, with that, you need to pay a little bit more money. Okay, that little bit more money is known as interest, and how it is calculated and all. We're going to learn today. So, interest in general given in percentage for period of 1 year. Okay, it is written as percent per year or percent per annum. In shortcut, it is PA. For example, 10% per annum, 20% per annum. Okay, so 10% interest you need to give per year. What is this? Let us learn some important terms used in our today's class. Amount. What is this amount? The total of the principal and interest needs to be paid after completion of time period is known as amount. It is denoted by A. What is the principal? The amount of money borrowed is referred as principal. It is denoted by P. Okay, time period. The length of the period for which the money is borrowed is called time period. It is denoted by T. Say 1 year, 2 year, okay, 1.5 year, 6 months, 5 months, 12 months, 7 days, 360 days. Okay, yes, like this. For example, if a person takes a loan of rupees 50,000 and interest for 1 year is 5,000, then the person needs to pay the amount which is borrowed, which is 50,000, and also the interest which leads to 55,000 after completion of 1 year. Amount borrowed is 50,000, interest which we need to pay is 5,000. Add that, we get the total amount that needs to be given. For example, let's solve a problem. Sam borrowed rupees 25,000 from Jessica and he paid 1,000 as an interest. What is the amount she paid back for the loan? Okay, so amount A is equal to principal amount plus interest. Principal is 2,500 plus interest is 1,000. So the amount which she needs to pay back is 26,000 rupees. Okay, this is the amount which we need to pay. Got this? Yes. Now, next problem. What is the interest? What if interest is calculated for more than 1 year? Okay, so if you take a loan for more than 1 year, for example, you've taken a loan for your medical, okay, medical course, or you have taken a loan for your engineering course. So you need to repay the amount after completion of the course, say 4 years plus 1 year till you get the job and all like this. So how to calculate the interest for more than 1 year? The amount is borrowed for more than 1 year. Okay, it is calculated for the period of money kept for when the principal is same for every year, and then the interest is called as simple interest. See this. When the principal is same for every year, then the interest is called as simple interest. Okay. For example, Rohan takes money on an interest of rupees 750 per annum. If Rohan pays back in 3 years, what will be the total interest? Per year it is 750. For 3 years it is 750 plus 750 plus 750. The interest which he needs to pay after 3 years is 2250 along with the borrowed money also. So the formula for calculating simple interest is equal to T into R by 100, where SI is simple interest, T is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time period. Here, remember, R usually is rate of interest per annum. Okay, so interest can be calculated as half yearly, okay, quarterly, monthly, daily, half yearly rate of interest, then it will become R by 2, okay, and time period will become 2t. Quarterly rate is equal to R by 4 and time period is 4 by t. Monthly is R by 12 and time period is 12 times t. Okay, now based on this problem, let us solve this. So Rahul borrowed rupees 40,000 from his friend Sham at the rate of 20% per annum. Okay, and we need to calculate interest half yearly. Find the amount Rahul needs to pay after 2 years. So two complete years means 4 half years. Okay, and this is per annum, so half yearly is half of that, so half of 20 is 10. Okay, time period is 4 years, which means time period is 2 years. Okay, which means it is 4 half years. Okay, now substitute this values in this formula. P is 40,000, the amount borrowed, rate of interest half yearly is 10, and there are 4 half years divided by 100. Now calculate this. How much do you get? You get 16,000. Okay, so two zeros and two zeros cut. 4,000 into 4 is 16,000. Now add this with the principal amount 40,000. So 56,000 rupees he needs to pay back. Yes. Now, Ankit borrowed rupees 20,000 from his friend Rihan at 18% per annum. Okay, find the amount Ankit needs to pay after 2 years. Okay, so first calculate the simple interest. SI is equal to PTR by 100. P is 20,000. Time period is 2 years. And rate of interest is 18 per annum. Per yearly is 18. So this divided by 100. Two zeros cancel. So 200 into 2 is 400. So 18 into 400. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. 7 2 and write this two zeros. This is the interest which needs to pay. You may ask me, sir, how did you do this? This is a different way of doing multiplication. Yes, it is easy, it is quick. Well, guys, I've used the trick of Vedic maths. So you can book a free trial class on Vedic maths. Simply log into www.swiflearn.com, book a free trial class, choose Vedic maths, choose your particular time slot, and then you can have this course. Okay, so this is simple interest. Now we need to find the amount which needs to be given as amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is 20,000, interest is 7,200. So you need to pay, the amount which needs to pay is 27,200 rupees. Yes, this is the amount which needs to be paid. If Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year, okay, at rate of 9% per annum. What is the sum borrowed? Okay, so let's do this problem here. If Meena gives an interest of rupees 45, okay, so interest is calculated, it is 45, okay, so yes, see this, if Meena gives an interest of rupees 45, okay, simple interest SI is equal to P into T into R by 100. SI is 45. Okay, what is the sum borrowed? Sum borrowed we don't know. We need to calculate P. Okay, for 1 year, time period is 1 year, rate of interest is 9. Okay, so P is equal to 45 into 100 divided by 1 into 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. So the principal borrowed is rupees 500. Okay, yes. Next one. At a certain rate of simple interest, R we don't know. Okay, for now. An amount of rupees 2000 becomes 2620. Okay, in 5 years. Okay, let us calculate that. So amount is 2620. Principal is 2000. Interest obtained is, subtract this, 620. Okay, so find the rate of interest. SI or I is PTR by 100. P into T into R by 100. Simple interest is 620. Principal amount is 2000. Time period is 5 years. Rate of interest is not known. So find the rate of interest. So R is equal to 620 into 100 by 2000 into 5. Okay, so 2 into 5 is 10,000. So this is 10,000. Now 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros kept. Cancel. 62 by 10 is 6.2. Rate of interest is 6.2. If the rate of interest had been 3 more, okay, the same amount would have become, instead of 6.2, if it was 3 more, which is 9.2. Okay, now calculate how much would have been the rate, what would have been the amount become. Okay, so yes, SI is equal to P T R by 100. Yes, so 20 into 5 is 100, 100 into 9.2 is 920. The simple interest would have become 920 and the amount would have become 2000 plus 920 is 2920 rupees. Yes, guys. So facts, simple interest is more advantageous for borrowers than compound interest as it keeps overall interest payments lower. Yes. Challenge of the day, how can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4? Okay, do this. Now, let's solve in the problems. Rakesh lent out rupees 8,000 for 5 years at 15% per annum and borrowed rupees this at, how much did he gain or lose? Okay, see this. Rakesh lent means he has given loan to his friend, okay, for 8,000 rupees for 5 years, okay. So let us calculate how much does he earns. So Rakesh lent out 8,000 rupees for 5 years, okay. So the interest earned is 8,000 into time period into rate of interest by 100. Yes. So 80 into 15 into 5. Okay, 15 fives are 75, 75 into 80. Okay, so 7 eights are 56, 8 fives are 40. Write the zero back. So we have 6,000 rupees. So he has earned interest of 6,000 rupees in a span of 5 years. Okay, yes. And now, okay, so this question, like, okay, so and borrowed rupees 6,000 for 3 years. Okay, at the rate of 12% per annum. How much did he gain or lose? Okay, for 3 years. See, actually, they are calculating this for 3 years, this for 5 years. Logically, it is not correct. We need to calculate for three years. Okay, but let's calculate. Okay, keeping logic aside. Okay, so solving this, so SI, okay, for the second case is 6,000 into 3 into 12 by 100. Yes, 12 threes are 36, 36 into 60. So 6 threes are 18, 6 six are 36. Write the zero back. So we have 2160. So he needs to give this much rupees. He have gained this much rupees. So how much did he gain or lose? If you he has gained. Okay, but actually we need to calculate for 3 years. Okay, so yes, so subtract this. You'll get the amount that he has gained. So Nilani brought 550 from her friend at the rate of 850 per annum, 8% per annum. She returned the amount after 6 months. How much did she pay? Okay, so see this. SI is equal to principal is 550. Time period is half year. Half year means 1 by 2 you can write, or 0.5. Okay, into rate of interest per annum is 8%. Okay, divided by 100. Okay, 0.5 I'm going to write as 1 by 2. Okay, so 0 0 cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 elevens are 55. So the simple interest is equal to 11 times 2, which is rupees 22. So 22 rupees more, she 22 with 550 rupees she gave to her friend back. Yes. In 4 years, 6,000 amounts to 8,000. Okay. What will this amount to this at the same interest rate? Okay. So see this in 4 years. Okay. Rupees 6,000 amounts to 8,000, means the interest earned is 2,000. So simple interest is 2,000. Okay, so principal is 6,000 into time period is 4 and the rate of interest is R. Calculate R. So 2020 cancel. So 2,000 by 60 into 4. 0 cancel. Okay, so 200s are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 50 by 6. Okay, how much is 50 by 6? 6 eights are 48. Okay, 6 threes are 18 and 6 threes are 18, 8.33. Right, 50 by 6 is 8.33. 6 eights are 48. 6 threes are 18, 6 threes are 18. What time will this take at the same interest rate? Okay, so what you need to do, amount to this much. How much is the simple interest? Okay, so 525 minus this is 120, 175, right? Yes, so 175 is the simple interest. Okay, so principal amount is 525, time period is 4 years, rate of interest is 8.33. Okay, so by 100, see, so what time will time, so we need to keep it as t. Solve this, you will get the Answer 40. Yes, a sum of money doubles in 10 years. In what time the same sum will become 3 times its value? Okay, see this. A sum of money doubles in 10 years. Okay, so let x be the money. Okay, so it doubles in 10 years means interest also will become x only. A sum of money doubles in 10 years. Okay, so x is equal to t into time period t. Okay, okay, into r by 100. So the time period is 10 years. Okay, find out the value of our x gets cancelled, it is 1. So 0 gets cancelled, so rate of interest is 10%. Right? Yes. Now, in what time will the same sum become 3 times its value? Okay, so 3 times means the interest is 2x. So 2x is equal to x into time period into 100. This 0 cancels. X cancels. So the time period is 20 years. 20 years, the amount will become triple. Once if you invest 1 crore in 20 years, it will become 3 crores. Find the simple interest on 8,000 from January 16, 2018 to June 11, 2018 at the 15% per annum. Also find the amount. Okay. So थोड़ा twist है, देखो यहाँ पे क्या है twist. Yes. You know that January is having 31 days. Okay. So Jan 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 to 30, 10 days, 31st is 1 day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in January, 16 days. Okay. February, is it a leap year? 2018 divided by 4. Okay, so if it is divisible by 4, like do we need to calculate 29 days or 28 days? Yes, so this is divisible by 4, so 29, yeah, 28 days. Okay, let me check quickly. So yes, not I'm not that good with the dates. Okay, so yes. Hmm. So, so whenever it is a leap year, whenever it is divisible by 4, it will be having 29 days. So 29 days. Okay. March is having 31 days. April is having 30 days. May is having 31 days. January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay. To June 11, June 11 days. Add all the days. How much you get? Okay, so 6, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13 and 9, 10, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so 148 days. Okay, so the money is invested for 148 days. Okay, find the simple interest on rupees this. So SI is equal to 8,000. Okay, at the rate of 5% per annum, 5% per annum. Okay, into time period is 148 days by 365 and divided by 100. Okay, so you do this calculation, you will get the answer. Okay, also find the amount, add the simple interest with 8,000, you will get the amount. Okay, so yes, let us divide by 2 zeros cancel, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15. Okay, I think we can divide 73 with 148, I guess. So 3 8s, 3 ones are 3, 3 to 6, 3 to 9, 3 12, 3 5 15, 3 to 18. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 24, 3 10s are 30. I don't know, like we are not getting this. Okay, So 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 73, 10. Okay, so yes, 73 twos are 6 and 146. There is 148 days. Okay, if it was 146, it would have been very easy. Ones and twos and okay. So what you need to do is see this is approximately 2 point something. Let us take 2. Okay, so yes, so 8 twos are. So simple interest needed to be paid is rupees 160, little more than 160 according to this problem. At what rate percent per annum will a sum of money double in 8 years? Okay, so this used to happen before, like 8 years mein paisa double. Okay, what was the percentage? Okay, so at what percent per annum? Okay, rate of interest we don't know. Okay, will the sum of money double in 8 years? X है तो interest भी उतना ही होना चाहिए, ये will double हो जाएगा into time period is 8 years by 100. Okay, so 8, so R is equal to 100 by A. 425 are 100, 4 twos are. So rate of interest is 12.5%. Yes, 12%, 12.5% we used to get earlier. So important formulas is interest is equal to P times T times R by 100. Principal is equal to this thing is equal to interest into 100 divided by R by T. Yes, वही सेम घुमा फिरा के दिया है. You needn't remember different formulas. Just remember this. The rest are the same using this. So what did we learn today, guys? We learned what is interest, meaning of simple interest, and how to calculate simple interest, and few problems on them. So that's all for today, students. Those are new. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir signing off. Bye bye, everyone. Have a nice day.